What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about the fastest way to make money with affiliate marketing. If you're still looking for that first commission check, you're in the right place. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do it. All right, guys, I'm really excited about today's video because this is designed to be proof of concept. I know affiliate marketing can be tough for a lot of people. I know people who've taken months, even years to earn that very first affiliate commission. But once you've earned that first commission, you begin to believe in what is really possible. So the goal of today is to get you that first commission so you can start building a six-figure side hustle like I did, or maybe even a full-time online business. Now, I am going to recommend one thing. Going down in the description, there is a 15-day challenge that's going to teach you all the basics of affiliate marketing. It's only $7. It's risk-free, so I highly suggest getting started with that because it's going to help you after you make your first commission to begin to scale and build a full business. Well, let me pause real quick right there. Just in case this is your first time on the channel, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jake. The purpose of this channel is to help Christians achieve financial freedom so they can more effectively fulfill the mission to which God has called them. If you're a Christian, or if you just want to talk about financial freedom, you're in the right place, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. So in order to do this today, we're going to need to do two things. First, we're going to need to find you the right offer, and then we're going to need to find you a traffic source. Those are the only two things we're going to talk about today to get that very first commission check. Now, there's a lot more stuff that goes into the business. Like, we would want to create an email list for you and get you an autoresponder. We would want to get you a funnel builder. We'll talk about all that later. We'll talk about that in the 15-day challenge, and we'll talk about that quickly at the end of this video. But for the purpose of this video, the goal is that very first commission check. We want an offer and we want a traffic source. So let me do a quick caveat right here because this is really important when we talk about finding the right offer. And in just a second, we'll get into my computer and I'll show you how to find that offer. But I want to teach you to promote passionately and ethically. I don't really believe it's possible to do that without understanding the thing you're promoting. And there are a lot of people who just find a random offer, they don't know anything about it, and they promote it without ever going through it themselves. And when they do that, they can't do it passionately because they don't understand the program. And they can't do it ethically because they don't understand the program. So I'm always going to encourage you to promote passionately and ethically by finding offers that you actually believe in and then going through it yourself. Whether you choose to do that is up to you, but I highly, highly recommend it because it will always be evident to your audience if you actually believe in what you are promoting. That being said, let's jump into my computer. We're going to find you the right offer. All right, so let's find you that offer. Now, there are a lot of places you could go to find the perfect offer. Three of the places that are just easy as a beginner are places called ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. Now, what these are affiliate networks. So you go onto one of these and you can see all of these available affiliate offers or affiliate programs for you to promote. You can go on Google and look for other affiliate networks that have a lot of different offers. Because again, I want you to find the right offer for you. Don't rush this. Take time to find the right offer that you really do believe in so you can promote passionately and ethically. But ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus are three good ones. Or maybe you don't find anything you like there. Maybe you decide, we're going to talk about this in just a second, your niche. Maybe you decide you want to do health. You can type into Google affiliate programs for health and then find them that way. But affiliate networks are a really good place to start. So I wanted to leave these up on the screen for you so you can see ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Right here, I have got my ClickBank pulled up. All you're going to do is you're going to create an account. It's free. It's simple. Nothing to it. And you're going to come up here to Marketplace. When you come to Marketplace, it's going to bring you to exactly where I am. Perfect. So we're here on the Marketplace. Now, what you're going to see is all of these options of types of niches you can promote. A niche simply means it's your specialized portion of the market. So it's the thing that you want to promote, the type of product that you want to promote. So as you can see here, we can look at arts and entertainment. Maybe you want to focus on fashion. Maybe you want to focus on magic tricks or music. Let's see some other options real quick. Education. This is a really good one. There's a lot of great education, cooking, food and wine, business and investing. There's always some good stuff in here. For the purpose of this video, I think this is one of the obviously very, very big niches. We're going to look at, if I can find it, health and fitness. Health and fitness always has a ton of stuff. You could literally use any of these and go into this niche. I'll just pick a random one. Diets and weight loss is obviously going to be a very, very popular one. So now you're going to see tons of different affiliate offers. Typically what I want to see is really high gravity. So we're just going to do that all the way up. And now it's going to filter by the highest gravity. So we're going to see a few options here. Smoothie diet, custom keto diet, flat belly tonic. Again, I highly suggest going through them yourself. This allows you to know more about the product, but I'm going to give you a little hack here, something that you can do. I'm going to let you just pause this if you want to read it. This is simply a template that you can send to the owner of the product. And when you send it to them, you're just asking for access to their product so you can promote it without going through and buying it, or review it without buying it yourself. So it'd be good for you to access the product, fully see the product before promoting it. So I recommend sending that to whoever runs the program. Usually their affiliate email is right down here, and you can do it that way. So for the purpose of this, just to keep it nice and simple, let's use this custom keto diet. You'll see, we'll pull up the affiliate page just to see a little bit about it. Here's all your details. I just lost it. Why did I lose it? Not sure. Let's try that again. All right, you just got to enter your email address. I'm not going to do it right now. But you got a quick glimpse of all the information. Once you give them your email, they'll give you all the information as an affiliate. I'm going to want to use this custom keto diet. So I'm going to click promote, generate hop link. Boom. There's the link you want to promote. So you're going to need this link right here. This is your affiliate link. This is what you're going to use to push people to. When they click on that link, you get a commission when they buy. I'm also going to suggest going to bit.ly, bit.ly or bit.ly.com, I guess. You do a free account here, and Bitly is going to allow you to shorten this link wherever it went. I guess I lost it. There it is. It's going to allow you to shorten this link into a Bitly, so Bitly dot maybe your name, something like that, which will just look much prettier, shorter, and be much easier for people to click. So that's our offer. We've got our offer. You've gone to whatever website whatever ClickBank or JVZoo or wherever, you've selected your offer, something that you're passionate about, a niche that you're passionate about, and an offer that you're passionate about, and you have your affiliate link. Now the big question is, how am I going to drive the traffic? How am I going to make the sale and get that commission? Well, what I'm going to encourage you to do, if you haven't created one already, is to create a TikTok account. It's very, very simple. Most people at this point have a TikTok. And it's going to be very, very, very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to use pieces of content around that thing. So for this example, we're using keto. We're going to make keto type of content, and we're going to have a call to action at the end of every video about keto and about the link in our bio. So you've got your link, you've got your Bitly link now, and you're going to come in. Obviously, this looks a little bit better and a little different on your phone, but you're going to come in, you're going to edit your profile, and you're going to add a clickable link into your bio. Now, there's some exceptions. If you're just getting started, you might not be able to add a clickable link yet. Google that. I'm not going to go into it in this video, but it's very simple to find how to do this clickable link into your bio. If you can't add a clickable link, it's okay. People will, because I've tested this before, will type in the link in your bio. All you need to do is, if you can't put a clickable link in, just add that link into your bio. People will go, they'll see it, they'll copy, they'll paste it, and they can still go to your link that way. So we're going to use TikTok. And our goal is within 1 to 2 weeks to get our first sale, to prove the concept to us so we can really get passionate about doing this affiliate marketing thing and begin to scale it to a higher level. So let's get ourselves that first sale. So we've got our link into our bio, and now we're going to start creating content. And so you'll see when you go to my page, feel free to go. It's at Jake3, and you can see a lot of the examples of types of content that I've created. What I like to do is 3 or 4 different types of content all around the same idea of making money online or affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship. I'll leave that in just so you can see my mistake. You're welcome for that. So what I would suggest is type in, again, this is going to look different on the computer than it will on your phone. Go into the search and look for the hashtag keto and start to find 4 or 5 different content creators who do keto. And just see the type of content they're creating. So let me show you an example of what I did just the other day. Obviously, I'm in this make money online space or affiliate marketing space, and it kind of gets old to do affiliate marketing content in every single video. But thankfully, I'm able to do any type of make money online strategy, whether that's flipping or reselling or drop shipping or Amazon FBA or whatever make money online strategy I want to do, and then pull it back to affiliate marketing. So let me show you an example that I did just the other day, because I've recently started doing news articles. So what you're going to see is in any piece of content you create, there are two really important parts, the beginning and the end, right? That makes sense. In the beginning, we want to create a very, very good hook. So in this video, you'll see the hook is this 24-year-old made $345,000 in 2 months. Now, if you're scrolling through TikTok, most people are going to be interested. How did this kid or 24-year-old make this much money in such a short period of time? That hook is going to cause them to watch the whole video. Well, that's all good. It's great that I got 46,000 views, but if there's not a call to action at the end, the video doesn't really do anything. It might give me a few extra subscribers, but that's about it. So there also has to be at the end this call to action. So my call to action in this video was recapping the article, telling them how this 24-year-old made $345,000 in 2 months. But at the end, I would say something to the extent of, I love this strategy for making money online. If you want to learn how I make money online, how I created this 6-figure online business, go to my bio and click on the link there. Something to that extent, calling them to the link in my bio. So that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to think through maybe 3 to 5 types of content on your page. So that could be the way keto's affected you, or different types of foods to eat in keto, or maybe images of things you're cooking. All you have to do, as I said earlier, go to this search users button, type in hashtag keto, pick out 4 or 5 content creators and see what type of keto content they're creating. We don't want to copy their ideas exactly, but we want to take ideas from what they're creating and form it for ourselves. And we're going to have a good hook. And then we're going to end with a call to action in every single video. All it takes is a couple videos to go viral, maybe even one video to go viral, and you're going to begin to see people purchasing from this link. Remember to always have that good call to action. Hey, don't forget, if you want to get started with keto today, here's a good place to go, something like that. So it's that simple. You've got your offer. You've picked the right offer for you. You're going to promote it passionately and ethically. You've got your traffic source. You're going to make videos. You're going to have that hook. You're going to have that call to action. And if you follow this strategy, I can't officially guarantee that you're going to make commissions, but you've got a really good chance. And from my experience, most people will. And I think it's also important to note that maybe you don't even want to show your video in your TikToks. Now, I'm going to suggest you do. It gives you a lot more credibility. But something like this article right here, I could have talked about the article without ever technically showing my face. So that is an option. I don't necessarily recommend it, but if that's your one hang up, you can still do it even without. So this is, guys, a great strategy to get started, make that first commission. But once you've made that first commission, you're going to realize you want to take this and build it into a 6-figure business. You want to start seeing 5-figure months and 6-figure, maybe even 7-figure years. The way you're going to do that is go down in the description and get started on that 15-day challenge. It's only $7. I recommend you do it before you even make a first commission. $7 isn't going to hurt you. And that's the exact challenge that I went through to learn how to create this business. And I highly recommend it to anyone, because there's some things that you're going to have to learn, right? If you're actually going to build this into a business, you're going to have to get a funnel builder. You're going to need an autoresponder. You're going to need to learn how to build your email list. And that challenge is going to help you learn how to do that. So I am so passionate about affiliate marketing. I know it works. I believe in it. I want to help you get that first commission so you believe in it as well. And now you're ready to start taking this concept. Once you have this proof of concept, you're going to take it and scale it into a real thriving business, whether that's a side hustle or whether that's a full-time job for you. So I hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, drop in the comments, throw me your questions. I'd be more than happy to get back to you. I hope this has been helpful. You guys, please do consider liking and subscribing, hitting that bell notification. All that allows me to create really good content for you guys. Don't forget to check out the description, that 15-day challenge. You will not regret it. It's completely risk-free, so why not check it out? If you have any videos that you would specifically like to see me create, let me know down in the comments, and I'd be more than happy to start working on those as well. Guys, I hope I see you in the next video.